gonna go fire the mill up. We're gonna see how this turns out. Could be bad, could be good. Oak. I'm not using my carbide tip blade today because, yeah, for one log, it's not worth it. The time, the hassle, the setup, tear down, it's not worth it. Just use regular standard bits. It'll be fine. I could put the Alice on it, which is 80 horse, but you know what? The Kubota with 40 horse seems to do a pretty good job. So let's get it fired up. Let's see if we can make some sawdust. You're probably not going to hear much of me talking, so just follow along, boys and girls. It's the best we can do. Sawdust spilling out the back. I used to think it was lead, but I've got almost a full 1/16 of lead into this mill, and it still spits it out a little bit like that. I'm at a loss sometimes, so I've swaged the teeth, sharpened them. It doesn't need to be hammered. I just had it hammered here just a few months ago on this blade. So on the other blades, I think it's just the mill is what I'm thinking. I've got everything set perfect with machinist level and machinist square. I didn't leave much room for doubt when I put this mill together. So keep all that in mind while you're watching. I spent 5 years building this, and I was not going to come back and have to do it again. I'd like to say I made a mistake somewhere. I may have. just keep watching. We'll see what happens. I don't know if you guys can see the blade real good or not. If not, I'll turn you a little bit. Well, let's just take a look, see what we got so far. Look at that. Woo! Ain't that doggone pretty. Ain't that just pretty. Nice clear oak. So, alright, I'm going to set you back up in here. We'll see if we can't get a little better angle on that sawmill blade. There you go. I think that'll work right there for a few minutes. Oh, let me turn you back around the right way. Wow, can't be going upside down. You'll get sick. Ah, there you go. Down to the hard log now. So, let's flip her over. Done at this point. board. Yes, sir. The old hip pump, make sure. up here by the blade to kind of bridge that little gap between the blade and the table. It works pretty good. Yep, definitely pretty wood. Now the question becomes, do I want to turn this and make a couple of 1x3/4, or do I want to leave it like this? Well, man, we're going to get one more full board out of it and a partial. Makes me end up with a 2x6 made out of oak. I know that you got a feeling what to do with that. Why are we going to get turned? I can always use 1x4 oak board. I gotta check it here pretty quick. I'll finish this log and check the tube. Or check the RPM. Yep, still making pretty boards. Alright. Glad you all made it through to this damn end. Let's see how bad the damage was on this log. We'll see how many boards we actually got out of it and what we got. And we'll get a count, and y'all can figure the board footage up yourself and figure out what that log cost to saw and what you'd charge and what the problem could be. I'm getting a lot of packed on sawdust on the log side of the boards. Let me show you. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Hey, there's a low bridge right there. You gotta duck your head to get around it. But you can see, I'm starting to get sawdust packing on the bottom of the can. I'm not sure what that is all about. Blade is probably, teeth are getting probably dull a little bit. I can see tear out right there. But that dog board is kind of thick at one end and thin at the other, and I'm not sure why. Alright, on the saw end, oh, where is it? Right about in there somewhere. What is that, 1 3/4 roughly, inch and whatever, a 1/16 less. There you go. Alright, now down here at the opposite end, if we could work our way down here, look at that difference. We're almost 1/8 of an inch. Yeah, we're almost 1/8. So what we got out of that one log was we got two 1x14s. I got to duck my head underneath this scaffolding. We still haven't had a chance to get up there to finish the roof off because the pickup broke, had to repair that. Garden had to be put in, had to do some plowing. Had to deal with cows, horses. You know, running a farm is not easy. Running a machine shop right now, it's hay season, so everything's breaking on people. I got two 1x14s. And we got, let's see here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1x6s, I think. Let me measure. I think they're 1x7s. Yeah, they're 1x6 and 7/8. So 1x6 and 7/8. We got 12 of them, I think I said. And then we got two 1x14s. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6 1x4s, and then we got two 2x4s out of oak. And so you can figure out the calculation for that. I don't know what you guys charge, but I'm probably not charging near enough, because this log, every log this man brings me, I have to yeah, I've got a metal detect, because man, this one had barbed wire wrapped all the way around it that had grown in probably 20 or 30 years ago around the base of it, and I just cut it off. I just, no sense in having it. I can't run a mill like that. $2,000 plus for a blade, 8 to 10 weeks down waiting on a blade. Nope. But I appreciate y'all stopping by. I got some pine to mill up. I might be able to get some of that in there. That, I don't know. I'm gonna review all this and we'll see what happens. But I like you guys stopping by and seeing us and watching. I'm asking if you'd like, share, subscribe. Be good to the guys on YouTube. Some of us don't get the chance to work near as hard as some of the bigger guys do on it, because we're just out here to have fun and share. So God bless you and have a good day. Thanks for stopping by.